Most students don't realise that they can personalise your PowerPoint slides to make them easier to use, which means that you don't need to create 5 versions of every lesson. Just show them how to personalise the slides themselves. Here's 5 quick PowerPoint presentation tricks they can try right now. First, show them how to turn on the accessibility features in Windows 11. They just press the Windows key plus the U key and they'll get straight to the settings. Here, they can make things easier to read by increasing the text size, adjusting contrast, and much more. For even quicker zooming in on slides, they can use the magnifier. Just press the Windows and plus key to zoom in, and Windows and minus key to zoom out. Windows plus escape key turns it off. It's ideal for focusing on small text or diagrams without changing your slides. Next, high contrast mode. Students can press Windows plus the U key to get to the accessibility settings and switch on a contrast theme. This makes the screen much clearer for some students, reducing eye strain and really helps students with dyslexia or visual stress. Then there's Speak Selected Text. They can add this to their quick access toolbar in PowerPoint by clicking the drop-down arrow in the top corner and choosing More Commands, finding Speak and clicking Add. Then they just highlight any bit of text and click the Speak button, and PowerPoint will read it out loud.
Examine the principles of action mapping for lesson planning.
This is a brilliant option for revision or breaking down big chunks of information. 4. Change fonts across the whole slide deck. Students go to the Home tab, Replace Fonts, and then they can select a font that's more suitable for them, like Arial or Calibri. And finally, Subtitles. PowerPoint has live captions built in. Students just go to the Slideshow tab, tick Always Use Subtitles, and they'll see captions live while you're presenting. They can even change the language, which is really handy for students who need that extra support. So that's 5 quick ways students can personalise your slides without any extra work from you. It gives them more control, makes your lessons easier to follow, and supports those who need it. If you'd like a full guide, then click the link in the description box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to make it grow.